everyone, I'm Eve. Have you ever wanted to say no but felt afraid of hurting someone? Today, I'll teach you 5 polite ways to say no like a native English speaker. Let's learn together. Hi, Eve. I'm going shopping. Would you like to come with me? Thanks for inviting me, but I'm gonna stay home today. No problem. Maybe next time. Absolutely.
Eve, could you finish my report today?
I'd love to help, but I'm really busy today.
No worries. Maybe another time.
Thank you. We're having dinner tonight. Would you like to join us? That sounds wonderful, but I already have plans. Thank you for thinking of me. Maybe next weekend? I'd love that.
Could you lend me $500?
I'm sorry. I'm not able to lend money. I hope you understand.
Of course. Thanks for being honest.
Hi, let's learn how to say no. Thanks for inviting me, but I'd love to, but that sounds wonderful, but I'm sorry, I'm not able to. I'll have to pass this time. Great job. Come with us. Everyone will be there. I really appreciate the invitation, but I'll have to pass this time. Have lots of fun. Take plenty of pictures. Will do. See you soon. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Thanks for inviting me. Excellent. Let's practice together. Situation 1. Your friend says, "Do you want to go hiking tomorrow?" Great. You can answer, "I'd love to, but I already have plans." Wonderful. Remember, being polite doesn't mean saying yes to everything. It means respecting other people while being honest. Everyone, ready for today's challenge? Let's share some polite ways to say no. For example, "I'd love to, but I have plans. Can't wait to read yours. See you next time."